Ciao! Are you dreaming of exploring Italy but worried about your budget? Well, fear not. Today, I'm going to show you how to experience the beauty of Italy without draining your wallet. First stop, the charming city of Florence. Instead of dining in expensive restaurants, grab some fresh produce from a local market and enjoy a picnic with a view of the stunning Cathedral of Santa Maria del Fiore. Trust me, it's just as magical, and your pocket will thank you. Next, let's head to the historic streets of Rome. While the city is packed with famous sights, many incredible experiences are absolutely free. Spend a day roaming the ancient ruins and breathtaking piazzas. And don't forget to toss a coin into the Trevi fountain. It's said to ensure your return to Rome, and it won't cost you more than a penny. If you're a nature lover, the Dolomites are a must-see. These majestic mountains offer hiking trails with awe-inspiring views that are completely free to access. All you need is a good pair of hiking boots and a spirit of adventure. And finally, no trip to Italy is complete without visiting the enchanting canals of Venice. Skip the expensive gondola rides and opt for a Vaporetto pass. It's much cheaper and you can hop on and off to explore the hidden gems of Venice at your own pace. So there you have it. Italy is yours to discover, and you don't have to spend a fortune to enjoy its wonders. Don't let your budget hold you back from experiencing the trip of a lifetime. Arrivederci and happy travels.